We are going to start this tutorial assuming that you have already found the articles you will be quoting or referring to within your essay or project. You should also be signed on to your Noodle Tools account already. So for each of the articles that you want to save, you will click on this Save button on the right-hand side underneath the Tools menu. I have already saved 4 articles, so this will actually be the 5th article that I've saved. Once you have saved all the articles you will be using, go here to the top of the page where it says More. Click on that. That opens up a new menu for you. And from that new menu, you're going to select My Folder. So this takes you to all of the sources that you have collected. I'm going to check all because I will be using all of these articles in my final product. And then from the menu on the right-hand side, I am going to choose Citation Tools. So for most of the classes, you will be choosing MLA 8th edition, which is the default option. But if you are utilizing this for a science class, you would select APA 6th edition here. At the bottom where it says Export To from the drop-down menu, you are going to choose Noodle Tools and then press Export. So sometimes this tab doesn't open right away and you will still be on this page. So what you need to do is check to see in the address bar if a pop-up was blocked. There will be a tiny little symbol and you're going to click on it and then choose Always Allow Pop-ups, select Done or whatever the option is for the browser you're on, and then sometimes you need to press Export again in order to open up this new tab. So on this new page, you can review your references here, and you can also make changes if you see any that need to be made. At the very bottom, where it says Project, you'll have another drop-down menu, and you're going to have the titles of the folders and the project folders that you've already created for Noodle Tools. I'm going to select Robinson Research Paper and then press Import References. You'll know that it worked because at the top you'll see a green bar that says that the references were successfully exported. So after that, you're going to go to your Noodle Tools dashboard. Under Projects, you're going to select the title that you were working on. And then after that, you're going to choose the Sources option at the top of the page. And there you go. All of your references are organized. At this point, you could also create a new citation if you wanted to add maybe a book or a citation from a website. And then you are ready to make your Works Cited or References page. Since we did MLA, we are going to be creating a Works Cited page. But I would choose Print Export to Google Docs because that is the most popular one, but you could also print or export it to a Microsoft Word document if you prefer that. And then a new tab will open up. Again, you want to check in the address bar at the top if a new tab doesn't open up and see if a pop-up was blocked. And you would have to repeat that whole process over again to open it up. So as you can see here, the Works Cited page is created for you. You'll still want to review the information and the overall formatting, but other than that, you have a complete Works Cited page.